Welcome to African Dreadlocks. We deal with artificial dreadlocks installation, which costs 5,700 Kenya shillings, inclusive of wash, treatment, locks, installation, and styling. The hairstyle can last you to 3 years. It takes 2 to 3 hours to install. It is washable and reusable, and most importantly, it is hairline friendly. Retouch takes 45 minutes at 800 Kenya shillings after a month or 6 weeks. We are located at Ngala Street, Bestlady building, shop number 49. Or you can reach us or WhatsApp us on 0790621603. Hurry while offers last.